Rachel.
And I'm Jean, and welcome to Let Us Bake.
Rainbow grilled cheese.
How fun! Let's get started. You want to start by grating up your favorite white cheese.
We're using a pizza mozzarella.
You could use cheddar.
Or a Gouda.
Gouda's very good.
So once your cheese is grated, we're going to divide it into 5 different dishes. Today, we're using our food coloring gel instead of a food coloring liquid because it's going to give us a punch of color.
To color your cheese, you're just going to stick the ends of the fork into the gel,
Then stir it into the cheese.
Remember, a little goes a long way.
Now that our cheese is full of color, it's time to butter our bread.
And of course, you could use the bread of your choice.
The bigger the bread, the more cheese.
It's time to build our sandwiches.
Here is a helpful tip when making grilled cheese. Take your spatula and flip your bread on top of your spatula.
This way, we won't lose any butter on our cutting board.
Tip, 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 tippy tip, tip.
So once your bread is flipped butter side down, it's time to add your cheese. Start with one color at a time and sprinkle it in a line across the length of your bread.
Sometimes it's nice to color outside of the lines.
But with this grilled cheese, do your best to keep your colors in a straight line.
Once you got your rainbow complete, it's time to put the top on.
And you're gonna put the top piece of your bread butter side up. These sandwiches are ready for the grill.
Kids, this is a great time to check in with your grown-up. We're cooking our grilled cheese on a griddle today on medium heat.
But of course, a frying pan will work just fine. Now, using Rachel's handy dandy trick, lift your spatula up with your sandwich and put it on the griddle. And enjoy that sizzle. So we're gonna cook this grilled cheese sandwich for about 4 minutes aside.
Or until it's golden brown. All right, these are out of the pan and we're ready to see the rainbow.
I've got my ketchup.
Now we're ready to cut into them.
Kids, grab a grown-up for this part.
Look at that rainbow.
So gooey.
Thanks for joining us today on Let Us Bake Rainbow Grilled Cheese. Make sure you check out www.letusbake.com for more recipes and fun.
We'll see you next week.